Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for February and it is a Valentine's special edition Asos beauty box. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to dodge the ring light. So if you know everything there is to know about the Asos beauty boxes, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. But if you're new to Asos, then carry on watching. Asos have been releasing monthly beauty boxes for, I think it's around 3 years. It is a long time now. It's not a subscription. You just need to create an account with Asos, and every month when the box is released, which is usually around the 1st of every month, you will get to see on the website all the products that are inside the box. So you get to see whether it's a box for you or not. The cost of the box is £12. Sometimes they have collaboration boxes. We haven't had a collaboration box in a good few months now. So I predicted that we might get one Christmas time or January. We didn't, so I'm not going to predict anymore, but yeah, you never know. Maybe March is the month when they have a collaboration box. Now these boxes sell out super fast, within hours. It depends obviously on the box and the contents, but generally every single month, and especially as more people learn about these boxes, they are selling out super fast. Now there was concern last month whether these boxes weren't shipping out of the UK anymore. I have asked Asos and they have come back and said no, they are still shipping internationally. It's just because the time differences when the boxes are released. By the time certain countries get notifications about the box releases, you know, it might be sold out already, which is really unfortunate and frustrating for some. But I am hot on it. As soon as the first comes around, I am on the Asos website every half hour or so. And then as the days go on, you know, sometimes we haven't had a box until like the middle of the month or so, but yeah, my interest dwindles a little bit, but I'm still on there constantly checking. And also I have loads of you lovely lot that kindly message me as well, just in case I have missed it, which I'm really grateful for. So as soon as I find out that Asos have released a monthly beauty box, I will share it everywhere. If you're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, my name Diaryofabeautygeek, I'll post it there, post direct links, etc., as well as posting it to my community tab on my YouTube page. So if you're already following me on all those different social media sites, then make sure to click a notification bell so then you'll be notified directly when I know. And I have not missed a month yet. I've got a huge back playlist of Asos unboxings, so if you're interested in taking a look at those, you're welcome to. But obviously you can imagine in 3 years or so, you know, it's going to be a few hours worth of footage there. But also on my Instagram page you'll be able to see some photos that I've posted up over the last year or two as well. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away and I'll comment down below. But all links and everything related to this box, I'll pop down in the description when it goes live, that is. It's not actually live yet. You will find details there, as well as if you are a regular purchaser on the Asos website, they do have an option for you to pay £12, I think it's £12 or £12.99 a year. That entitles you to have free next day delivery, which is what I do because I shop on Asos a lot. I buy lots of beauty products, lots of clothes, jewellery, everything, and they're beauty boxes. So yeah, so there's that option there. Definitely worth it if you are a regular Asos purchaser. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside this month's box. Now this box was kindly sent to me from Asos as PR. I'm really grateful because I'm able to tell you all about it up front, so then you get to know whether this is a box for you or not before it actually goes live, which is really handy. So I am really grateful for them. So they've sent me a little message. It says, Claire, launching 1st of February. It says there, 1st of February. Our latest Asos face and body box is the perfect treat for you and your bestie. Whether it's a virtual date night or mates night, you're all set for the 14th. With love, Asos. So inside the box, we get a little card and it tells you everything about the products inside the box. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. And I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. The information on the card says roughly the same as what the message that they sent me, but it does say that this one costs £12, which is their usual monthly cost for their boxes. So the first item in the box is a brush by Spectrum, and this is an A10, a small fan brush. Now I'll get that out of the packaging to show you properly. I haven't used one of these brushes in such a long time. And they're really good. I don't know why, because it's precise spot application for like highlighter, particularly especially if you're heavy-handed. and you tend to like put highlighter everywhere, but if you just want certain areas, it's brilliant, you know, on the bridge of your nose, on there, on there, on there, anywhere. A fan brush should be in everyone's brush collection. I just don't know why I don't use it. I think I go through phases, you know, different phases of using different brushes, but yeah, it's lovely. It just says here, use this little multitasker to lightly apply highlighter or powder products for a soft focus finish. And then it's got a little QR code there to shop the whole collection. So that's the first item in the box. Next, we've got a product by Too Faced, and I can't wait to try this, see what this is like. I've never tried it before. This is the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray, and there's 30 mils here. If any of you have tried this, please let me know down below what you think about it. It says with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients and skin revivers. Silicone-free, alcohol-free, oil-free. We love your skin even when you don't. Oh, okay. It says apply to clean skin before makeup as a primer. Apply after makeup to keep it in place all day as a set. This spray can also be used to refresh skin. I love sprays. I just hope that it's not a really like whoosh, a really strong spray. Oh, it is strong, but not too strong. Oh, my eyelashes are sticking. My fake eyelashes. It smells nice. It's not a strong smell. Just got a nice sort of fruity smell. Yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. I think that's a fab product to put in a box. Next, we've got a product by NARS, and this is a blush. Is this Orgasm? Yes. So we've got a little teeny tiny one here. These are cute. I've got a few of these little, like, sort of sample size. They're handy for going away. Handy for going away for the night, for a week, whatever. A nice sort of universal blush shade there. Let's see if I can get enough on my hand for you to see. No, you might not be able to see it there. Very, very subtle shimmer in there. Yeah, I've used that before and it is a really nice blusher. Next, we've got Shiseido. This is a Controlled Chaos mascara. It's Controlled Chaos Mascara Link. Graphic volume and precision. So the outer packaging looks like. Yeah. Oh, how odd is that? Give it a good old shake maybe. It seemed to be like there was product on the end of the brush, but not near the top. Yeah, that's better. Just needed a good old shake. Look. Type of brush I love. Something to really grab onto my lashes. Ooh, 24-hour wear, graphic volume and high precision. Yeah. So we got a mascara by Shiseido. There we've got a lip oil, a hydrating lip oil, and it's Watermelon Burst by Ciati London. I've received a few different lip oils recently. I do really like them. I do really like them. I use lip oils a lot. I love the way matte lipsticks don't come off your lips, but sometimes they can be a little bit too drying, and because my lips are quite small, it doesn't always look great, so adding a little bit of lip oil is nice. Oh, the smell is lovely. But yeah, no, that's really nice. It really does taste, smells of watermelon. We've got a lip oil. And then lastly, we got a product by First Aid Beauty, and this is a Ultra Repair Cream. This is a moisturiser, intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skins, and we've got just under 30 mils here. I've tried this cream before, and it is really nice. Tried it there. It's nice and thick. Yeah. It just blends out beautifully. It is lovely. So can I tell you anything about it on the back here? It just says apply as needed from head to toe throughout the day. And yeah, so those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up. I just realised we've got 6 products. We normally get 5. We've got a Spectrum fan brush. We've got a NARS blusher. We've got a Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray. We've got a Ciati London lip oil. We've got First Aid Beauty moisturising cream, and we've got a Shiseido a mascara. I am really impressed with this month. Really, really happy, especially because we've got some makeup. For the last couple of months, we haven't really had makeup in any of the beauty boxes, the monthly beauty boxes. So it's nice to see a return of makeup coming in. And yeah, no, I'm really happy with them. Got some really lovely things here. Got a few items that I've never tried before, and some that I have tried before. Overall, I do think for £12 it's really great, really great. So yeah, so thank you to Asos for sending the box out to me. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you going to be excited for February the 1st for when this box is released? Or are you watching this thinking, you know what? Nah, I'm not going to bother. It's not for me this month. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.